What is difference between .NET and .NET Core? Most of the students is still confused that .NET and .NET Core both are same. Is it different? What is the main difference both of them? What is the difference based on performance? What is the difference based on features? What is the difference based on OS compatibility? What is the difference based on modularity? What is the difference between performance of servers and processing times? What is the difference between target applications? These all points I will discuss in this session. So firstly, I am just clearing about you. Now the .NET Core is the future. .NET is completely updated by .NET Core functionality. But some of applications is also managed by .NET, especially desktop applications is managed by .NET. If you want to develop Windows Form applications, WPF, WCF, WF, these type of applications can be developed by .NET frameworks. It can't be developed by .NET Core framework. But modern applications such as web applications, web API based applications, this type of applications you can create by .NET Core. Because .NET Core is the cross-platform supported Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. This is the main features of .NET Core. The first point is platform compatibility. I am discussing about platform compatibility. The means .NET framework is only compatible with Windows. It's not compatible with Mac or Linux. But .NET Core is compatible with Windows, Linux, and Mac operating system. It is the advantage of .NET Core. Second one is the open source. So .NET is not a open source. .NET is licensed version, and .NET Core is a open source, means you can access .NET Core features without taking any license. That's why .NET Core is much popular today. The third point is a performance, means who perform better, .NET Framework or .NET Core. .NET Core is less performance as compared to .NET because .NET Core, due to its older architectures, it performs slower as compared to .NET Core. .NET Core designed for performance and efficiency with a modular architecture, because nowadays Microsoft has many competitors in web development. In Java, Spring Boot is the major competitors of Microsoft, as well as Python, Django, REST framework, as well as Ruby on Rails. These technologies perform better as compared to .NET. That's why Microsoft updated .NET Core, and its performance is equivalent to these technologies, and some technologies it performs very higher. And the most important feature is modularity. .NET is less modular as compared to .NET Core. .NET Core is better modular because in .NET Core you can divide all functionalities into the different type of modules and submodules. Target applications. Okay, the target applications means especially for .NET, it focus on Windows Form applications or desktop applications and tablet applications. But .NET Core focus basically for web applications, okay, mobile responsive applications, as well as API based applications. ASP.NET and ASP.NET Cores, this is also the implementation of .NET versus .NET Core. .NET Core launch ASP.NET Core MVC, that is much popular, and .NET launch ASP.NET MVC, that is outdated today. So my suggestion is that if you want to update into the .NET profile, then you should learn .NET Core as compared to .NET, because .NET Core provide advanced features and functionality.